Hello everyone, my name is Pritesh Tambe and my topic for the major project is Face Recognition Attendance System. I am a student of Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and I am studying in B.Tech ITDS SEM 8 last year. So coming to the introduction of this topic, what is face recognition? So face recognition is a category of biometric software that maps an individual's facial features and mathematically stores the data as a face print. This face print can be used in the future for recognizing and distinguishing one face between different faces. So the software uses deep learning algorithms to compare a live capture of digital image to the stored face print in order to verify an individual's identity. So this was face recognition. So how to use face recognition in Python? So faces are made of 1,000 of fine lines and features that must be matched to recognize the face. The face recognition using Python. Uh, Python breaks the task of identifying the face into thousands of smaller bit-sized tasks, uh, which makes it easier for Python to recognize the face and is also one of the latest trends in machine learning techniques. One of them, OpenCV uses machine learning algorithms to search for faces within a picture. OpenCV is a library in Python which can be used uh, for facial recognition. So the objectives of this project were to detect faces through camera using Python, to make an automatic attendance marking system, which will help us to make marking attendance less time consuming and more efficient for the lecturers and the students. So what data will be stored in these? So the data of the students will be stored in which the student's name, student's ID, which course or year he or she is studying in, the phone number and the address. So this data will be stored earlier, and while showcasing it, we will not showcase all of the data. We will just showcase the required amount of data. So how to implement this project? After collecting all the data of the students, um during test time, the attendance system will do its work when the particular student comes in front of the camera and his or her face is visible enough for the system to capture the images. Then the system will immediately start to work by comparing the recently captured image and will find whether and will search whether the student is of that particular class or not, and will showcase his or her name. So after doing this, what future scope can be implemented on this project? So till here we have only used the facial recognition in attendance systems in colleges, but it can be used in other institutions during exams where to avoid proxy and illegal entries of the students. By far, the most interesting implementation of facial recognition in attendance system is at the at events where thousands of people participate in those events as audience. The deployment of the system possesses many benefits, especially for the large events where there are speeches of great politicians, also of many musical events where this can be used. It can also be used inside of using passes and barcodes. Facial recognition can be used in these as a substitute for these. So sometimes when the audience members hit hundreds and even thousands of numbers, it is inefficient for the current systems to work properly and work efficiently. So facial recognition can be used in this way as an identification for every every person. So this was my topic, and thank you for watching this video.